Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to talk about the Flink SQL basics. So overall, there's two types of Flink SQL. One is the %flink.b SQL, such as batch SQL. Another is the %flink.s SQL, such as string SQL. So the difference between them is that underneath the batch SQL, we use the batch table environment, and underneath the string SQL, we use the string table environment. So there's four main features I'd like to talk about. One is the multiple SQL statement support. That means you can write multiple SQL statements in Zeppelin, and each SQL statement is separated by semicolon. The second feature is that you can also write SQL comment. And of course, in Zeppelin, it supports DDL, DML, and DQL. And you can use the help command to get all the available SQL commands in Zeppelin. So now let's go to the Zeppelin. So here I'd like to first show you how to use the SQL in %flink.b SQL. So now let me run SQL commands, show tables. Since I have already enabled the Hive integration, so I can see all the tables in Hive. And I can write another SQL commands, show functions. Okay, so now I can see also see the output of the show functions. And we can add a SQL comment. This is a comment. Okay, launch again. Yeah, so the SQL comment will be skipped. Okay, and you can also write, use the help command. Yeah, use the help command, you can get all the available SQL commands. And for the SQL, it is almost the same. We can use the show tables and the show functions. So here you can see that the output is the same as the first %flink.b SQL because they share the same catalog, they share the same metadata, so we can see the same output here. Thank you everyone.